The former animal rescue president, acquitted of animal cruelty charges but convicted of criminal damage to property, was back in court what was supposed to be her sentencing. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter explains why the judge didn't hand down a punishment today, but did hear from the victim.
We are here on the record for State of Connecticut versus Heidi Luters.
Judge Peter McShane in court granted a last-minute request from Heidi Luters' attorney to hold off on her sentencing. Rob Serafinowicz said a psych evaluation was never done. He also took issue with the pre-sentencing report, including allegations that Luters killed 5 dogs, allegations she was found not guilty of. At her trial in February, Luters was only convicted of destroying the home she was renting in Fairfield.
I apologize to everybody for the delay, including the court. I apologize to the victim, Ms. Roberts, and anybody that's taken time out of their day to appear here today. But I have obligations as defense counsel.
Still, the judge allowed landlord Kelly Roberts to make her victim's impact statement as scheduled.
But my voice will be heard today, and it needs to be.
Through tears and a trembling voice, Roberts told the court how she sunk all her money into the property. Roberts described walking into the home in November 2018 and finding it filled with garbage, animal feces, and drug paraphernalia.
I cannot forget the shock that I felt after what I saw and smelt. The house that I worked so hard to build and care for was destroyed. Then as I progressed into that nightmare, I saw the cages and what remained of those poor companions that you so-called cared for.
The damage was so much, Roberts couldn't pay for it, and insurance didn't cover it. She lost her home to foreclosure and also struggled emotionally, mentally, and physically.
Justice for me, I fear, is a lost cause at this point. But justice indeed needs to be served. I beg you, Your Honor, to consider what I have said here and consider that others that she may harm going forward with a minimal sentence.
The judge thanked Roberts for having the courage to talk in court and share what she did.
I want you to know this, your voice was heard. Thank you.
Everyone will return here for sentencing on Wednesday, May 4th. It's worth noting that the attorney assigned as animal advocate in this case will make a statement at sentencing. That's even though Luters was acquitted of animal cruelty charges. In Bridgeport, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.